Test Week. It's Wednesday Listening Test Week. Can you remember the questions we had this month? Don't worry, our teachers will help you. Let's see if you can remember the answers.
In week 1, it was writing week, and we looked at acronyms. Mine was about something you write when you want someone to send you something very soon. And it had 4 letters. The first one, A. Can you remember?
In week 2, we looked at reading. My book was a famous series that became a famous TV show all about games and thrones. Do you remember?
In week 3, we looked at TV series, and my TV series was about a plane crash where people didn't know where they were. Do you remember it?
Thanks, D-Man. Send us back your answers. Good luck.